Hello everyone, it's Charlion Patrice. If you are new here, welcome. Today I will be showing you all another quick and easy wig install. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. So this wig is from Hairvivi, and I'm so excited to show you all this video because they made 2 new improvements to their wigs, and I just can't wait to show you all. So here I'm just showing you all how everything looked once I first received it. And as you can see, the knots are already bleached and the hairline is amazing like always. So this is one of the improvements that Hairvivi made to their wigs. They are called anti-slip stickers, and they apply 3 going across the back. And the anti-slip stickers will help your wig stay in place. Second improvement that they made was this V-shape patch right here. You can wear your wigs glueless. This little patch is like bendable, like I'm showing you right here. So you can bend it down and it will lay your lace down and you don't have to worry about it flapping up. So here I'm just showing you all how the wig looked once I flat iron it out, and I just bumped the ends just a little bit. Just taking some scissors and cutting some of that lace along the front because, honey, I want to show you guys this hairline, but it's taking off my eyebrows, so I'm just going to cut that. So this is how the wig looked once I applied it, and as you can see, like, the hairline is amazing. So here I'm just showing you where the V-shape patch is at, and as you can see, it's right above my ear. Now I'm about to cut a few slits in the lace. I like to do that because I like to cut my lace off in sections. Before I cut off my lace in the front, I'm taking my scissors and removing the extra lace that's by my ear so everything can lay flat. And then I'm going back with my eyebrow razor and I'm taking off the lace. So since I'm wearing this wig glueless, I'm going back to each side and I'm taking the V-shape patch and I'm bending the patch downward so that the lace can lay flat, and it also prevents the lace from flapping back up. I don't want like baby hair. I'm kind of going for that wispy look in the front. So I didn't want to use any hairspray or gel, so I'm taking some water and I'm spraying it onto my brush. just applying a wrap strip to the front of my hair because I cut the baby hair in the front really short, and some of them was sticking up. So I just applied that for like 10 minutes and then removed it, and this is how it looked. So yeah, so this is the final look, and I will insert a photo so you can see how I wore the wig, because you already know I don't like hair in my face, okay? But yeah. So Hairvivi Wigs was already amazing and beginner friendly, and with the 2 new improvements that they made to their wigs, like, they're just bomb now, okay? So drop a comment down below and let me know how y'all feel about the 2 new improvements to this wig. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And I will leave all the information down below in the description bar. So don't forget to check Hairvivi out. And I'll see you dolls next time. Bye-bye.